Good morning, y'all. So we're about to go out here and pick some flowers that we're going to press. We're going to do some crafts with in about a week. We have these really pretty blooms that I want to pick and see about pressing and see how they turn out. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I have my little book here, my little dog. And we're going to try to pick some of these as easy as possible. These are really big flowers. I haven't pressed flowers this big yet, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're back over here at my little table and I'm gonna try to press these with y'all. There's like one of them. They're just really big flowers. So I'm gonna take my little book and I'm gonna put them face down. I'm gonna take my book and just push down. They're closed in there. So now I'm back inside. We're gonna put these under something really heavy and I'm gonna leave them for about a week and we'll see how they look. These are some of my other dried pressed flowers that I tried. So it's just a learning experience, y'all. We still have a lot to learn on this, and I'm just getting started with it. I just wanted to share with y'all the journey of doing this as I go. So it's Monday, we're at Lowe's, picking up some supplies for our business for the week. But of course, I had to stop by the garden section and check out some of these flowers, just because they're so beautiful. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show y'all just some of the flowers they have out here. These are so pretty. I want to get some of these. Just love looking at all these flowers, y'all. So we are back home now and we've been working on our signs for the week. Just getting everything sanded and everything stained. I'm working on my last sign now. So the last one that I'm staining is going to be gray. It's going to be this stain right here. I would show y'all what we've done, all the stain signs. I may just flip it around and show y'all some of them. But yeah, I'm not going to show you the entire shed just because it's a total mess in here and that's pretty embarrassing for me. So we're not gonna worry about all that. So now that's done. So here's my gray. So yeah, now that we finished all this, next I just have to go in and work on vinyl and stuff for our orders for the week. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get some of that cut. I want to do a little bit of crafting today, but my craft room is a total mess, so I'm probably gonna go up there here in a minute and try to straighten it up before I have to go pick up my boys, because I have to go pick them up from school here in a little while. So I'm gonna see what I can get done in the next couple of hours and see how productive I can be. It's a really beautiful day out today. It started off really cold this morning, but now the sun has come out and the birds are singing, so it's just really beautiful out here today. So I started off when I come out here with a hat and gloves and everything because it was freezing this morning. But I got a little terracotta pot that I'm going to add some dried pressed flowers to. I need to get some outdoor Mod Podge and we're gonna see how well that does for like outdoor things. So here's our lavender that we got this morning. Got it off the clearance rack. So we got this for half the price. There's no blooms on it. It looks like it started to bloom on this one a little bit, but even without the blooms, it smells really good. So let's do an update on my yard and all the little blooms that I have. So these have bloomed out. I have a few little ones up here also. My yellow knockout roses have a bunch of little buds on them and a lot of new blooms. And then these are my coral knockout roses. So they have a lot of little blooms on them also. And these are my other knockout roses that my mama got me last year. So here's the first little bloom on this. And this one over here is my ginormous butterfly bush. So here in a few months, I'll have a bunch of blooms and a lot of little bees and butterflies on it. So I'll share that with y'all once it blooms out.
It was shut with a hook. Now look at this trick to the cat. Take a look.
So it's Tuesday, it's a brand new day. I've almost finished up all my sign orders for today. I never got around to cleaning up my craft room yesterday. I just kind of picked it up a little bit, so it's not super messy. But you'll see all of my sign orders over there ready to be boxed up. So I just have to do that. Then I'm gonna go pick up my boys, drop off the boxes at UPS, and then I think I'm gonna plant my lavender that we bought yesterday at Lowe's. So I did end up doing a little craft yesterday. I did this candle. I got this pillar candle from Dollar General. And then my pressed flowers I got from Amazon. So I have one more sign that I have to complete and then I'll be able to box everything up. So that's what I'm working on now. So here's the sign. I just have to add the names to it and the rope and it'll be done. This one I shouldn't have bought. That one's pretty bad. I'll put that one in the little pot. Good morning, y'all. It's Thursday today, so I skipped over recording Wednesday because I kind of took the day off. This week isn't super busy for us, so I was able to kind of like rearrange my schedule so that I could have yesterday off. And it was really rainy yesterday, so it was a good day to do that. And just try to catch up on rest because things have been pretty stressful lately, so I honestly just really needed that. But it's a really beautiful day today, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys what it looks like out here today. Try to squeeze through our rose bushes. Put the boxes up into the car. So I've already trimmed these rose bushes once before they bloomed, but they still managed to grow out really far to where now I'm gonna have to trim them again because trying to come through here with boxes in my hand is a little challenging. But we got it done without getting cut up by the rose bushes. So I have everything loaded up. Now I just have to go pick up my boys from school. Hey y'all, so it's Friday today and I am working on some crafts. I finished up one little sign that I had left to ship this week. I've already done my Facebook Live for today, so I'll show you guys what I created on live. So I made this little flower with an egg carton. So this is what I did on my Facebook Live. I will link that for you guys in case you do want to go watch it. So I made this jar that I've painted white, and I'm adding all of these really colorful flowers to it. And we're gonna turn this into like a vase. And I already have my little bouquet of flowers here that I plan on adding with this. So yeah, I have my little pressed flowers here that I added to the jar, and I used my Mod Podge for it, just the same little technique that we've used for the other flower jars. But I'm about to go pick up my boys from school now, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to record any more today, but if not, thank y'all for watching. This should be the end of the vlog for the week. I plan on doing more videos like this and just kind of piece in little pieces of my week, whatever I think may be interesting to you guys. Let me know what you think of the video. I really do appreciate you guys for being here, for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see y'all on the next video.